Hi everyone, today I will show you how to quickly make pizza at the comfort of your home. To make pizza you will need a pizza base. You can make this at your home or you can buy it from a local grocery store or a supermarket. On the pizza base you add tomato sauce or you can also use pasta sauce. Spread it out evenly. Now add some chicken pieces thinly cut. And then add fresh spinach leaves. Add thinly cut mushrooms. And then add green capsicum. Now as we do this, you can have any mixture of vegetables to your taste. I'm adding small tomatoes cut into half and also facing upwards so during cooking it cooks well. I'm adding some salt to the pizza to bring some taste into it. This again will be depending on your taste. If you don't like salt, don't add it. Now I'm adding light flavored extra virgin olive oil. Just sprinkle lightly over the top and then adding basil leaves. This is dry basil leaves. Sprinkle it evenly to cover the pizza base. And now we will add some cheese to it. Shred the cheese nicely and spread it across. After adding cheese, it's ready to go in the oven. So the oven will be set to 250 degrees centigrade and you only need to cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'll go ahead and place pizza in the oven, and after 6 to 7 minutes in the oven, here we go, our pizza is ready. It's nice and hot and ready to eat. Thanks for watching my video.